Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.